Alright, so one of the first things I wanted to find out about the DS250, since we do most of our stuff in the dunes, was can this thing actually dune? Plan is to put an 11-year-old on it and see how it does. So I picked this thing up for, I think it was like 600 bucks. It's been sitting out forever. I got new plastics for the front. Obviously I'm still missing headlights, but we don't do a lot of night riding, so it's not that big of a deal. The only thing that I have changed on this so far is the 14-tooth sprocket, and we put on these Kenda tires, which I guess are no longer made. There's versions of them that you can find out there. Even without the Kenda tires, this did really well. This trip it rained quite a bit, so the sand was a little more packed than a lot of the other times, but this thing has just been digging in. So my 11-year-old's been on it. It has just done amazing. So if you are looking for a easy quad for your kids to get out there and learn how to actually dune, pick right lines, use the power band in the right spot, this is the perfect setup for them. It's got enough power that it'll get them where they need to go. Don't need to worry about shifting. They can just kind of get into it. It's got reverse for when they inevitably get stuck and you gotta pull them back out. Cannot recommend this highly enough. It's not the most powerful, it's not the quickest thing that's out there, but he's been able to keep up with us at a normal adult pace, no problem whatsoever. I did learn, so looking at this engine, if you compare, this is a 2008, if you compare this engine and this setup to the brand new 2024 version, it is the exact same engine, so finding parts is super easy. I've had to do some work. Like I said, I bought it for 600 bucks. We've done some work to it to get it up and running. It's going to need probably new top end here soon, but it's getting out there and it's doing everything that we ask it to. It's got a huge tick to it, but I'll show you guys real quick what it does with a 170-pound dude on it. So I'll try and take it just kind of through some of this low stuff, and then I'll clip in some of the videos of my 11-year-old just ripping it up out there. So if you're looking for something that can actually dune, that's easy, the Can-Am DS250, definitely a way to go. Yeah, I said we love it. It's fun to ride. Super heavy. That's one of the downfalls of it, but great beginner trike. Great beginner quad. All right, so you can probably really hear the tick now. If you can actually hear me over the tick, that'd be great, but I'm gonna do this one-handed, just show exactly how easy it is for people to get up and around. Again, if your kid is kind of looking for something that is gonna be easy but still fun, this is the way to go. I'm just going to see if I can make it up this from almost a standstill. Kind of questioning it. I might die. We'll see. Nope, not quite. A little softer, but again, it's got reverse, so we're good to go. Speaking of 11-year-old, there he is.
Hello.
What's going on? Fair enough. I'm just kind of ripping around right now. One-handed. Actually, since Michael's here, I'm gonna make him my tripod.